Looking for the best cooking tripods? In this video we look at some of the top 3 cooking tripods on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Stansport Grill Tripod Cooker. Pros: grill diameter is a little larger than others on the market. Sturdy chain allows you to raise or lower grill to the needed height. Can also hold your lantern. Made from steel. Lightweight, but just as sturdy as cast iron tripods. Cons: the grill is free swinging, allowing food and pots to be less secure than those hung straight from a chain. Bottom line: this grilling tripod makes cooking many foods over an open fire a lot easier. At number 2. Coghlans Tripod Grill and Lantern Hanger. Pros: folds compact. Great, can move up and down to get the right height for cooking. Easy to put together and take apart. Can also hold a pan for frying over the open fire. Cons: this is a very lightweight cooking tripod and is not designed to hang a heavy Dutch oven. Bottom line: this lightweight cooking tripod is great for taking and grilling on a camp out. At number 1. Bayou Classic Tripod Stand with Chain and Bag. Pros: very strong when standing. Nice height. Relatively lightweight. Storage bag included helps keep the tripod handy and protects it when not in use. Chain included. Cons: the height on this model is quite short for larger fires. Bottom line: a classic tripod for cooking that is built well and includes a bag for storage. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.